Hi Harrow, Mr. Stewart here with Wellbeing Well Away, and today I want to talk a little bit about exam season and a little strategy that you guys can use in order to help you be a little bit more effective. Now, sometimes we feel very activated during exam season. We feel perhaps anxious about what we're about to take on. Other times we feel maybe not that activated, maybe we feel lethargic and not very engaged in what we're doing. And these two things have different responses and different things that we need to do in order to get ourselves into the mindset to be really effective in that exam. And so I want you guys to kind of think of that as either the gas pedal, so push on the gas for when we want to make a car move, right? That's our activation strategy, and the brake pedal is sort of our slowing down strategy, our deactivation strategy. And I'll give you a couple of examples, but each individual is different in terms of how they activate or deactivate themselves. But I'll give you some examples and they may help you search for ones that work well for you, okay? So our best brake pedal activity will be our breathing exercise. I've done a couple of different breathing exercises on Wellbeing Well Away, and certainly if you can look back through the old episodes, you'll find one on breathing there. That will slow your car down. That will help you relax and feel more in control of what's happening if you're feeling anxious or worried or upset. The other thing that could be really useful for you is finding a relaxing activity. Some people like, reading a book, or even engaging with friends and talking with friends can be something that calms us down prior to an exam. So if you're feeling really anxious and activated, those are a couple of great strategies. You find what works for you. Gas pedal. This is if we're feeling tired and lethargic, we don't really want to do it. We need to find a way to get ourselves energized and ready to take on the challenge that we're about to take on. So that's getting your blood flowing. A couple of great things are power poses, so making yourself feel big and even nice and wide. There's quite a bit of research on this activity. Or just plain exercise. Go out for a walk, get yourself moving, go up and down the stairs a few times if you have stairs in your place. Get yourself moving. You can jump up and down even in one spot prior to the exam. Gets the blood flowing, gets the blood moving to your brain and oxygen moving to your brain so that you can do your best on your exam. So those are a couple of different ways that you can either activate or deactivate yourself depending on how you're feeling going into your exam. And I'd love to hear your feedback, so I'll put a survey in the link. If you have a chance to fill that out, talk about this episode or any of our previous episodes that you really like, we'd love to hear from you. And thanks very much. Stay safe, stay well.